Hello, this is Ammar Adel and a new English lesson from the General English course for beginners. In the last video, we talked about the sounds in English and we said that English has 44 sounds. So today we will talk about some letters that they come together and they change their sounds or they have different sounds. For example, we have the letter P. So the P as in pen, P. P. It should come with air, okay, with airflow. P, P, P. So for example, if I get a tissue like this is called tissue, and I put it here on my nose, and then I said the word pen, pen, you can see what is happening to the tissue. P, pen. Well, the tissue is moving or flying because of the air that comes from the P sound. Anyway, if you have a problem with the P sound, you can go back for the video of the P and the B. You will find the link in the description. Now let's get back here. If I have the letter P and then I add to it the letter H, so together they make the sound F. F. For example, we have the word phone, phone, or the word elephant, elephant. Okay, if I have the letter T and then I add to it the letter H, it is going to be one of two sounds. The first one is the. Your tongue should be between your teeth. The, as in father, father. Okay, or it can be the sound th, as in three, three. So the question is, when do we have to say it the, and when do we say it th? Well, the answer is in the following letter. If I have after the th, if I have e, it is going to be the. For example, father, mother, they, the. But if I have any other letter, for example, something like three, something like think or thank, I don't have e after it, so I'm going to say th. There are some irregular words, usually they are grammatical words, something like these and those, those and this. This is going to be irregular words. Okay. We said also last video that the ch, it gives the sound ch, 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 as in a chair. But what about the sh? It gives the sound sh, sh, as in share. So listen again carefully. Ch, ch, chair and share. Okay, that's enough for pronunciation. Now let's talk about some grammar rules. The first thing to take it in grammar is going to be the nouns. We're talking about nouns. Number one, we need to understand that nouns in English, they have different types. Number one, a noun, it's a word that it gives or it names people or animal or place or thing. You should understand this. So for example, when I say Ahmed, this is person, so this is a noun. It names a person, Ahmed. Okay, we don't translate nouns in English, so we can write them in different ways. The important is to pronounce them correctly. Okay, so I write, for example, my name with one M or with double M. Both of them are correct. The important thing is when I write a name, I should, like for a person, I should write it with a capital letter. Okay. Number two, we can name something like animals. We can say donkey, we can say monkey, we can say dog. Okay. Also, we can name a thing. For example, we can say something like mobile, or we can say something like a paper. Okay. Or we can say something like eyes, whatever. Also, we can name places. We can say Egypt, we can say Syria, we can say Morocco, America, whatever. Okay, nouns in English also, we separate them into two types, or more than two, but let's talk about two types. Number one is a proper noun. So the proper noun, it is a specific, okay, it talks about specific person or specific place. So when I say Egypt, I mean only Egypt, okay? That's why we write the proper nouns with capital letter, okay? And also we have common noun. So common noun, they name more than one thing or more than one person. When I say a man, it can be Ammar, it can be another person, okay? Or when I say cat, so maybe this cat or this cat. This is a common noun. It names more than one thing. Okay, now what we learned about grammar here, these nouns, all of these nouns, they are used in the sentence, in the English sentence, okay, as one of two things. Number one is a subject. They can be used as the subject, the doer of the action, the person who did the action, okay, or as an object, okay, the thing or the person that received the action. For example, when I say he, or let's say his name, Ammar, okay, Ammar studies English. Ammar studies English. Here Ammar is the person who is studying, so he is the subject. Okay, what is he studying? English, so English is the object. Ammar is a noun, it names a person. English is a noun, it names a thing. Okay, but the first noun is the subject, the person who did the action, and the second name is the object, okay, the thing that received the action. Thank you for watching. Don't forget that we are going to practice, or we're going to do exercises about this lesson using the WhatsApp group. You can find the link of the WhatsApp group in the description. There are two groups, one for girls and one for boys. See you the next lesson. Bye bye.